I just had a photo submitted to us. Thank you to Danny Pendleton for this drone photo of that layer of dense fog. That's a commonplace across the region. You can scan the QR code there on your screen if you want to submit any of your own photos. Looking at some traffic cameras now across the region. Moorhead, that's an area around county along I-64 there. You've got some dense fog. Also, that's the Kentucky Welcome Center near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. In Whitley County, we've got dense fog, and then dense fog in and around Lexington as well this morning. Temperatures upper 60s into low 70s, so it's warm, it's muggy out there to begin the day today. We're going to keep that high humidity around through at least Thursday. We get a little bit of a break on Friday behind a cold front, but then we're warming right back up into the weekend, and that's going to lead to high heat and high humidity once again. Viper radar right now showing a cluster of showers that was earlier some storm activity that's weakening as it's moving into far southern Kentucky. We're going to be watching areas to our west developing showers and storms later into the day, and that's going to be moving into our area by around lunchtime or after lunch. Not everyone's going to see rain today. I think the highest chance south and east of Lexington, and then south central into parts of central Kentucky, seeing those showers and storms. Overnight tonight, things will be isolated once again as we lose some of that heating in the day. But tomorrow, higher chance of those showers and storms, and we could see a flash flooding risk for your Tuesday as well, just because there's going to be a high number of showers and thunderstorms. Not really slow moving storms, but you could deal with waves of heavy rain that would pose that flash flooding risk. And then Wednesday, we're going to start off quiet. I think as you head later into the day, especially late Wednesday night into Thursday, that's going to be a strong to severe storm risk. So rainfall totals, this is through midnight tonight. Notice how not everyone, particularly over the northern half of the area, is going to see rain activity. It's mainly southern, southeastern, and parts of central Kentucky dealing with those showers and storms. But as you head into tomorrow and eventually Wednesday, you start to see more activity across the region. I mentioned Wednesday into Wednesday night being a strong to severe storm risk. We already do have a level 1 out of 5 risk for strong to severe storms. There's going to be a cold front. And anytime you get a cold front moving through when you've got warm and humid conditions like we have, that's going to pose a strong to severe storm risk, just because you're going to have winds with that high heat and humidity. Those upper level winds help strengthen these storms. So we're watching a cluster of storms late Wednesday night into Thursday. The timing may really help us out on this. If it moves in late in the overnight and in the early morning hours of Thursday, it likely won't pulse back up until it reaches areas to our east. So we'll be watching that closely. Behind that, high pressure builds and the heat really builds. That's a true summer-like feel this weekend and into early next week. Temperature outlook showing above average temperatures likely. With that darker shade of red, that's 90% or a higher likelihood of above average temperatures. So expect the 90s, if not maybe the low to mid 90s by the middle of next week. Muggy with those scattered showers and storms here for the day today. Tonight, muggy with isolated showers and storms. And there's a look ahead at your full 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, better chance of seeing those showers and storms than today. Could see that flash flooding risk as well. Late Wednesday into Thursday, that's a strong to severe storm risk. Summer starts on Friday, and boy, we'll be feeling like it over the weekend and into early next week.